I tried to do handstands for you, but every time I fell for you, I'm permanently black and blue, permanently blue for you, for you. So black and blue for you.
I grabbed some frozen strawberries so I could ice your bruising knees, but frozen things, they all unfreeze, and now I taste like all those frozen strawberries I used to chill your bruising knees. Hot July ain't good to me, I'm pink and black and blue.
I got bruises on my knees for you, and grass stains on my knees for you. Got holes in my new jeans for you. Got pink and black and blue. Got bruises on my knees for you, and grass stains on my knees for you. Got holes in my new jeans for you. Got pink and black and blue for you, for you. So black and blue for you.
The counselors are great, and they help us a lot with learning and having fun. Yay.
I like how the counselors are always nice, and that you can always have a person to talk to on the way on the trip.
Without the counselors, it would be hard for us to keep us together, make us laugh, and have fun.
I like Ridge Runners because it really gives me the time to explore, and I love exploring, and I love all the stories Eric tells us, and he's a really cool guy.
This is Lucas, and I love Ridge Runners because it's so fun. We just go around and trudge in mud, and Eric, you're a great storyteller. Make some books, you rock.
You actually helped me get my fear over most spiders.
And every year's been different, and I've loved all of it. So even though I'm like going into like middle school and stuff, I probably won't stop coming back. So thank you so much.
My favorite thing about Eric is that he's never downsized. He's always optimistic. My favorite thing about Ridge Runners is that we got to see the snake and all the frogs.
We get to see nature for what it is. This is where I get to be, where it's quiet. I like it when I get to see all the animals and they're calm and they're speaking to each other. You helped me so much. When I was younger, it was too hard to think about school and all of that. You made me happier ever since I started Ridge Runners. And no one else did that to me. So thank you.